Track 26. Conversation 1.
Come on in. It's Anna, isn't it?
Yes, that's right. Anna Scott.
Ah, yes. Take a seat, Anna. First of all, we're delighted that you'll be joining us as a store assistant at the beginning of next week.
Thanks very much. I'm really looking forward to the challenge.
That's good to know.
Conversation 2.
Good morning. You're through to Milton College. How can I help?
Oh, hello there. I'd like to book a place on the food photography course.
Okay. Now, is that the one that starts on the 18th?
No, that's the date of the food technology course. I want the food photography course. It's the day after.
Okay. Got it right up on screen now. Food photography, Saturday the 19th of September. And it looks like you're in luck. There are only a couple of spaces left. We've taken 10 bookings already, so you've just made it. The course is limited to 12 participants. It's very popular.
That's good to know. Now, can I just check the details of the course?
Track 27.
Come on in. It's Anna, isn't it?
Yes, that's right. Anna Scott.
Ah, yes. Take a seat, Anna. First of all, we're delighted that you'll be joining us as a store assistant at the beginning of next week.
Thanks very much. I'm really looking forward to the challenge.
That's good to know. Now, we know you've just finished a course in information technology, so we've decided to put you in the computing and phones section of our department store.
Oh, that's great. Now, that's next to the radios and audio equipment, isn't it?
That's right. All our radios and audio are in a part of the store we used to call the sound station. But as I've just said, you'll be based in the computing and phones section. Now, we've recently made this area of our store much bigger so that we can sell a much wider range of computer equipment, such as smartwatches.
Smartwatches.
Yes, we really want to attract a younger group of customers. And we haven't just given this whole area a completely new look, we've renamed it too.
Renamed it?
Yes, from next week is going to be known as Moving Images.
Moving Images. Oh, cool. I like it.
Now, do you have any questions before we move on?
Track 28. Now listen to the rest of the conversation between the receptionist and the student and answer the questions.
Now, can I just check the details of the course?
Sure. Go ahead.
Now, it says on the leaflet, let me find it. Okay, got it. Right, so it's called Food Photography, and I've got here that it begins at 9:30.
That's right. It's an early start. It begins at 9:30 and it goes on until 4:30. Most of our weekend courses are quite short, and so they're over in a couple of hours. This course is longer. According to the information I've got up here on screen, it's 7 hours long.
Oh, I'm glad it lasts for more than a few hours. I don't think I'd be able to learn how to take good pictures in less than 7 hours.
Now, I'll just give you a bit more information about the course itself. Basically, you'll learn how to take good photos of food using a digital camera, so it'll train you in the basics of using a range of camera angles.
Camera angles?
Yes, you'll learn how to photograph food using close-up shots, wide-angle shots, and shots taken from above, that sort of thing.
What about learning to edit pictures on my computer? Will that be covered too?
No, I'm afraid not. The purpose of the workshop is to teach you how to take good photos in the first place. It's a really hands-on session. In fact, you'll spend some of the day on location in a local hotel. It's just round the corner from the college, the Lincoln Hotel, so you'll have the opportunity to practice taking photographs using real dishes.
That's great. A practical course is exactly what I'm looking for.
Now, just a few more things. The full fee of the course is $55, and that includes a light lunch and refreshments at the hotel.
Oh, that's really good. That means I don't have to worry about bringing along my own drinks and snacks on the day. That would probably cost me at least $10.
Okay, I think that's everything, so I'll just take your details so that we can confirm your place on the course.